Hey beauties! Welcome back to Councilcraft. Today I'm going to show you how to master the perfect natural makeup look for work and school. Trust me, this routine is effortless, fresh, and super quick. First things first, skincare prep. Start by cleansing your skin according to your skin type. Oily skin? Use a gel or foaming cleanser to control the shine. Dry skin? A hydrating cream cleanser is your best friend. And for sensitive skin, stick to a gentle, fragrance-free option. I love using Best Cleanser Name for a balanced and prepped base. Next, apply a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Go for an oil-free gel if you have oily skin or a nourishing cream for dry skin. My go-to is Best Moisturizer Name. It's hydrating without feeling heavy. Now, let's talk primer. Mattifying for oily skin, hydrating for dry skin, and pore-filling for that smooth, airbrushed finish. Best Primer Name is a game-changer for extending makeup wear and smoothing the skin. On to makeup. Start with a lightweight foundation or BB cream. Blend with a damp sponge or your fingers for a natural skin-like finish. Best BB cream foundation name is perfect, lightweight and breathable. For under eyes and blemishes, use a lightweight concealer sparingly. Best concealer name is hydrating and crease-proof, giving a brightened effect. Set everything with a translucent powder, focusing on your T-zone. Best translucent powder name is lightweight and non-cakey. Add a soft peachy or pink blush for a natural flush. Best blush name is buildable and gives a beautiful, natural color. Lightly define your brows with a pencil or gel. Best brow product name is smudge-proof and super easy to use. Swipe on a neutral eyeshadow and apply mascara for length and volume. Neutral eyeshadow palette name and best mascara name are perfect for everyday wear. Finally, finish with a hydrating lip balm or nude lipstick. Best lip balm lipstick name keeps lips soft and natural looking. And that's it. This natural everyday makeup look is effortless and perfect for any occasion. Remember, great makeup starts with great skincare. Let me know your favorite daily makeup product in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, beauties.